us in the ballet.
We're bringing ballet to you.
Ballet.
We already have music.
And Gabby and I could be the dancers, and you could be the audience.
That doesn't hurt too much.
Oh, no. I'd love to be the audience.
Okay then, let the ballet begin. Sorry.
Big bird.
Now this ballet is called the Ouchie Back Ballet.
Back ballet.
Yes, it's the beautiful story of a handsome Louis bird, that's me, who hurts his back, and a beautiful fairy princess
That's me.
who helps him get better. And now, the Ouchie Back Ballet.
We're going on a jungle adventure to see what we can see. There's a lion and a tiger and a great big monkey swinging on the branch of a tree. It looks like a chimpanzee.